In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Sephora gift card. If you've received a Sephora gift card and want to use it for an online purchase, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to apply your gift card during checkout, and I'll also point out what to do if your card balance doesn't cover the full total. To get started, go to the Sephora website or open the Sephora app. Once you're there, browse for the products you want and add your items to your cart. Take a moment to review your selections so you're sure everything is correct before moving on. This can help avoid delays later, especially if you're ordering multiple items. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your shipping and billing details. Make sure all of your information is entered accurately, since mistakes here can cause issues with order processing or delivery. Even though you're using a gift card, some orders may still require billing information, especially if an additional payment method will be used. Next, go to the payment section. Here, select the gift card option. This is where you'll enter the gift card number and the PIN exactly as they appear on the card. Be careful when typing these details, since even a small error can prevent the card from being accepted. Once everything is entered correctly, click Apply. After you apply the gift card, the checkout page should update to show that the card balance has been used toward your purchase. This is a good time to double-check the remaining total, if there is one. If your gift card covers the entire order, you can simply continue to the final step and place your order. If the gift card does not cover the full amount, don't worry. Just choose another payment method for the remaining balance. This could be a credit card, debit card, or another accepted payment option shown during checkout. Make sure the backup payment method is entered correctly so the order can be completed without interruption. Once everything looks good, complete your order. Before submitting, it's always a smart idea to do one final review of your shipping details, payment information, and item list. That extra check can save you time and help prevent mistakes. And that's how to pay with a Sephora gift card online. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to apply your gift card smoothly and finish your purchase with no trouble.